You can order the master power window switch used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Open the door on the driver's side. Using a car trim removal tool, unclip the plastic trim panel from the door panel by prying it with the tool. Once the trim has been removed, start by disconnecting the connector from the master power window switch by pressing the locking tab. Then disconnect the second connector. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws holding the master power window switch to the plastic trim. You can order the master power window switch used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new part and install it on the plastic trim. Then screw the 4 retaining screws back in. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Reconnect the power connector of the master power window switch. Reconnect the second connector. You can now clip the plastic trim back onto the door panel. Operation complete.